Welcome, Matt here from the Mr. Gardener YouTube channel, and the mulch kit for my Ego mower has finally arrived. So in this video what I thought I'd do is bring you along. I've got two lawns here today that are pretty overgrown, so let's see what this mower can do. So before that I thought I'd talk you through the mulch kit, and there will be a link to it in the description where you can get hold of it for yourself. So the mulch kit costs £33. It was a bit of a surprise when it turned up because what was advertised was not what arrived. Now the pictures shown on the websites that we bought it, certainly when we did, were of the twin clip mulch system, which Ego use in the US, but is not available here in the UK. And what you actually get is just a single mulch blade and a mulch plug. Yeah, it's just not great from Ego. They should really have provided correct images and information on these, but when it arrived, it's a mulch blade and a mulch plug. The mulch plug is super easy to fit, it just fits into the slot, and I'll show you that. Also with the mulch plug in, you can actually still have the bag on. It's a sort of feature that I quite like, because a lot of customers don't necessarily want you to be mulching even if they can't see the results, but by this it means that they don't know you're mulching. The mulch blade takes seconds to put onto the mower. With these Ego mowers it's super easy to change the blades over, so I will show you that, but it's really simple. So all in all it barely takes 5 minutes to change it to a mulch setup, and the mulch blade actually bags very well as well. I haven't really noticed any difference, so we'll be running the mulch blade permanently just because we're going to probably be mulching a lot at the moment. Before we get mowing, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing for the full review of this mulch kit, the mower and the roller kit as well for this Ego mower. And if you've got any comments or questions about the mower, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you on that as well. So as I mentioned earlier, we've got two lawns here, and let's see what this mulch kit can do. So that's both lawns done. The Ego mulch kit's done a pretty decent job on both, certainly the top lawn. The bottom lawn was a little bit straw-like and a bit too stalky, so we've had to do a second pass on that to get it acceptable, but still pretty impressive considering it's not a dedicated mulcher. I will be doing a full review on this mower and the mulch kit, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and that just leaves me to say thanks again for watching. Bye for now.